From this brand new website, you will make over $400 every single hour, and then making thousands of dollars every single day with a brand new affiliate marketing strategy for beginners. So today we are at CPAGrip.com. CPA Grip is where you can sign up, you can grab some offers, and people have an incentive to sign up to those offers because they have a chance to win something, and let me show you how it works. So you will also just register an account and then you will log in. And then once you log in, you're going to be able to see, first of all of these people who are making money. So all these people are making a lot of money with CPA Grip. But in order for you to start making money, you will need to go, or if you offer tools, and go to My Offers. And once you learn onto My Offers, you want to change the country, if in this case be United States. Now you don't necessarily need to be in United States in order to make money with CPA Grip. You can literally be anywhere in the world, and you can still make money with these offers, just the people who you refer have to be from US. So, as you can see, in this case, people have a chance to win a $100 PayPal gift cards by submitting their email address, and you're going to win $2.44 per email that you collect. In this case, you will get $2.44, and they have a chance to win $100 PayPal gift card. So as you can see, they have an incentive to actually enter your email address because they can win something. And that's why this works so well. So now you want to copy your affiliate links. I'm going to copy this affiliate link that pays me $2.44. And that may not seem like a lot. You might be thinking like, Dave, one email $2.44 sounds, that's not a lot. But what I'm about to show you can literally get you thousands and thousands of people signing up your link completely passively because it's stupidly lazy and simple strategies. So just stick with me anyways. For the next step, you want to go Google Sites. And now, since you have the article that talks about how people can attract money into their life, someone who's reading that obviously either needs money or wants to attract money into their life. And if you include an offer where they have a chance to win something by entering their email address that is extremely targeted to that particular person, they will be way more likely to actually enter their email address. And it also doesn't cost them anything. And so what you want to do is you want to create a call to action. You want to integrate a call to action inside of the article itself. So, for example, after the point number 3, I'm going to create a call to action that says, for example, literally what the title of the offer is. So get $100 PayPal gift card to spend. And so I'm going to copy of that. So this is that I'm literally just copying this, then go back. Paste that, and then you obviously want to make that stand out. So I'm going to make it bold, and I'm obviously going to make it a little bit bigger so they can actually see, and then I'm going to create the call to action that says click here to claim. And so what that will do is that will make them see the call to action and then click on the facts, which will then rather open to an offer where they can submit their email address and you're going to make money. So what you want to do is you want to press this chain icon right over here to insert a link and insert a link. All you got to do is go back to CPA Grip and then open up that offer and grab your affiliate links. You want to copy the affiliate link, go back, and then you want to paste that link inside of this box and press apply. So what it will do is that will make this text clickable. Now obviously you can also change the colors, and you can change the fonts and sizes and all that side and all that stuff and play around. But I'm just going to copy the same call to action. I'm going to copy it and then integrate that one more time over here. And then I'm also going to do it at the bottom of the deck, so when they finish reading the article, it can also see that they can claim $100 PayPal gift card by entering their email address. Obviously, not every single person will win a giveaway, but that doesn't really matter. They have a chance to win something, and that's what is important. You don't care if all of them win. If none of them win, obviously, one person will win $100 PayPal gift card, but it doesn't matter if they win or not. If they just made their email address, you're still going to make $2.44. So you're being paid per lead just for them become a qualified lead. And that's it. Now, once you have a full article that talks about 5 different things related to money, and you have a call to action with an affiliate link included, You want to give it some addresses. You can, of course, type in whatever you want to. And then I'm going to click Publish. And we're going to have a full link. So we can now view our article. This guy is going to look like if thoughts about different things and different ways that people can attract money into their life. And as you can see, we have the call to action. So now that you have a full website created for absolutely free, as you can see, this didn't cost a single dollar. Now you want to copy the link for that article for your own website. So I'm gonna go and copy this again. And then you want to proceed to the last step, which is to go over to a platform that will literally never thought about before, a platform that is being visited by 7.3 million people every single month, and most of them are from the United States. And remember that we actually need people from US to enter their email address. So you can make money. So you don't have to be from US. You can be from anywhere in the world, but people who submit their email addresses have to be from US. So that's why this platform works so well. And it's also absolutely free. So this is MeWe.com. This is MeWe.com. I don't even know how to pronounce it, but it's MeWe. It's a brand new social media platform. It's extremely similar to Facebook, but the competition on MeWe is extremely low. And people who use this are actually extremely engaging with different posts. So you want to sign up to this social networks. You want to enter your first name, last name, email address, create a password, and then just create an absolutely free account. And then once you log in, once you create an account, I want you to log in. So I'm going to log into my account. And then once you log in, you're going to be able to start searching different groups over here. So as you can see, you can serve different groups. And you want to search for either the law of attraction groups. Those are groups where people talk about how they can attract different things like riches, love, and prosperity in their life. But you're mostly interested in people who want to attract money into their life. So you want to search for either the law of attraction groups. You want to search for money-related groups for groups, where people talk about saving money, making money, and everything that is related to it, or attracting something good into their life, or something that is related to saving and making money. And then once you join all those different groups, like you literally just go and you search for for example, money, and you filter this by groups. And as you can see, Retire with Money, this groups literally have 1,000s of different members, and you can start joining them. So you can really join the group during click done. And then you can start posting into the group. Try it out and do it as much as you possibly can. Spend some time doing this, and let me know how it worked out for you. In the comments down below, I really hope you got something new in this video. If you did, drop a like and subscribe my channel. See you in next video.